What's the meaning of bachelor pad? Bachelor pad. Bachelor pad.
Bachelor pad. Bachelor pad. A bachelor pad is a term used to describe an apartment or house that is typically occupied by a single man who is unmarried and does not have any children. The space is often designed to reflect the interests and lifestyle of the occupant, with features such as a home theater system, a pool table, or a well-stocked bar. The term pad typically refers to a simple, uncluttered living space. While there is no strict definition of what constitutes a bachelor pad, the term is often associated with the stereotypical image of a young, single man living alone and enjoying his independence.